First of all, go to the applications, then search LibrCalc in the search bar. Here we get. Then we see that sheet. We are going to draw the graph for the given information. I have drawn already, so based on that graph I am going to take some information from it. Just copy that in just I am copied that information and paste it in new document. Here it is. I am copying the information. I copied the information and I am going to give just one formula for basis to ease the process. I mean, this formula don't do any function, just I am giving for our information only. Here you can see the formula on the desktop. Then yeah, completed. Then come down and enter equal to symbol. Remember, enter equal to, and from formula, give give some information like xa. So in the same row, go to xa column and then click that value. Here we see a3 and then here we have to multiply. So then enter shift plus 8 in the keyboard to get star. Here we have ga, so in the same column we have ga, so click it, we get e3. Likewise, then plus symbol and then give xb into gb plus rt of xa ln xa. Here in small letters enter ln and open bracket and give whatever value do you want and close the bracket and carry on the process. But remember, we are giving equal to symbol in the same row, so we have to give that row values only, then only it can calculate and give the output. Only I am doing in the same row only, then enter, we get the value of that row for the given formula. And then for getting values, scroll down, just copy that row and enter, so you get all that values. Why I am not giving first row and last row values? Because in 0 in ln gives error, so I process. Otherwise you can just click that one column and scroll down, you can and give enter, you get manual values. Now giving information is completed, so now we have to select the things which we are going to include in the graph. We go to select scatter and then points and lines in the right. Here we see automatic graph. Here we need some changes. Right click on the x-axis and select format axis to do changes in the x-axis. Here we can see we can change some scale in the x-axis. I am taken maximum value in the x-axis up to 1 only, so I am editing that to 1 and okay, and minor interval count decreasing. Okay, enter. Okay, only here I am doing only scale. Here we can see the modified graph. If we want to give titles in the graph, we have to right click and insert titles option, then we name the graph, and if there is any subtitle you can give, and what you are giving in the x-axis you can give on the x-axis and in the y-axis as well. Here I am entering ideal solutions as a subtitle, and then giving what are the things I have taken on the x-axis. Here I am giving spacing because you can observe later, and giving xb percentage of xb, and giving some space, and b b on the right side, and on y-axis quantity I have taken on the y-axis is free energy of solutions. Free energy of solutions. And then click OK. Here we see some titles, some subtitles, and information on x-axis and y-axis. Here I am why I had given some space because like for this only. On the left side we have A element and right side we have B element, and some do some modification, you can get what we want. This is about how to draw graphs in LibreCalc in Ubuntu OS. Some small modifications I am doing here. Here the graph is completed, and if you want to save that pic, just right click on the sheet and then right click on the graph, export as image, save in your storage. I am saving in graphs folder and giving that name in png. I am saving in png format. Save. Here you can see the what I drawn, what I have drawn. This is about how to draw graphs in LibreCalc. Okay, thank you.